In this video, I will show you how we can configure .sdk in Android Studio. Open Android Studio and click on File, then click on Settings. You can see here Plugins. Click on it and search here dot. First of all, we need to download this dot. This is 7.4 MB and provided by JetBrains. Install it. This has been installed successfully. Now click on Restart IDE. Also, we need to download this Flutter plugin. Accept it. Now click on Restart IDE. You can see the Flutter has been installed now. It's showing this notification, welcome notification. This Flutter plugin have been installed. Click on File, then click on New. You will get this option, New Flutter Project. It is because we have installed a Flutter plugin. Click on New Flutter Project, Flutter Application, and give project name. For example, Flutter App, Flutter SDK path. For that, go to here and go to C drive. I have placed Flutter inside this src folder. Click on the Flutter folder and click on OK. Now click on Next. You can give name to it. Click on Finish. And now you are ready to write Flutter application. Here you can create another window for this project, or you can simply replace this window with this project. So we can create new, and you can see it has created a new window for this project. If I click, we go to here, you can see this is the previous and this is the new one.